Hey guys, super excited about today's video. Not only do we have a fantastic cocktail for you, if I do say so myself, but also we are working with the Canadian Clay and Glass Gallery. They have provided us with a beautiful glass from Alexi Hunter, and he operates out of the Kingston Glass Gallery. So this cocktail is super fresh, it's great for spring. It also very much lines up with a lot of the themes discussed in the exhibit at the Canadian Clay and Glass Museum. They focus a lot on nature and a little bit of psychedelics, which we don't have in the cocktail today, but you're free to add at home if you desire. We do have vodka, so that's a great addition, but if you want to kick it up another notch, that's up to you. We're going to start by adding about 1/4 of a sprig of rosemary. Next, 1.5 ounces of Pepprell Vodka. Muddle. A teaspoon of honey. Some of it's likely going to stick to the bottom of your shaker. I wouldn't worry about that too much. And I use 50 milliliters of fresh grapefruit juice, which equates to about 1/4 of a fresh grapefruit. Then we're going to add half a lime, and we're going to add 1 cucumber slice, and then of course ice. As much as you'd like. Tighten and shake. As I mentioned, the honey might stick a little bit to the bottom. That's okay. The recipe is designed with that in mind. Add a few ice cubes to your glass. How beautiful is that?